What's up everyone? Mustamos kamong tanan and welcome to Angel Grace Vlog. So today ay pupunta tayo sa City Hardware and dadalhin ko kayo dun guys. Meron lang kaming bibilhin para sa isang bedroom kasi it's kaya yan. And palayo-layo tayo ng konti. So, yan na nga guys. Dadalhin ko kayo sa City Hardware and ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung anong klaseng tiles na pinili namin or bibilhin namin. So, hopefully, maganda. So, we'll see guys. See you later. Hello guys. On our way to kakain muna tayo. Right, honey?
What? What did you say?
We're going
I
to
don't
eat
understand
first.
Messiah.
We're going to eat first.
Yeah.
And then go to
City Hardware.
City Hardware guys.
We'll get some tiles.
Yeah. Right. Wala masyadong traffic today. Right guys, we are here sa Villa Hotel. Sa City Hardware. Hello!
Hello, kitty.
Andito na tayo guys sa City Hardware and papasok na tayo. City Hardware. I said City Hardware. So andito na tayo guys. I like this kind of color. Daming pwedeng this is kind of nice. Yeah, because in our bedroom you can see that. So we're gonna pick the one that it's not shiny. How about this one? Honey? No? It's like a wood. You don't like that one?
This one we won't have to paint the room.
That's like for outside. That one. You don't like that one?
This looks like the stuff that we just taken out.
Ah, but it's oh, how about the Rocky Rocky? So there's a lot of choices.
This one be bad. That
Yeah.
one's over there.
We'll walk around.
Hard to sweep up.
Yeah, because there's like a... Let's look around. Maybe there's more there. Those are big tiles though. This is a big tile. So the price is for this one is 100K. White, 390 for this bag. But I don't like the black ones. And we don't like shiny. Kasi nakikita yung mga scratch eh. Sample niya. May scratch dyan. So let's wrong? So gusto namin yung ano lang. Yeah, how about like that? Like a marble. This one. Or this one.
It's too dark. I don't like this.
No, I don't like that color at all. Is this too dark? Or that one over there?
It's too dark also.
92. Is it?
It's going to make the room look small. To make the room look bigger, because once you get a bed, you got to go with a lighter color.
Gym kasi guys, medyo lighter. Maganda siya, kaso parang ayaw ko yung decoration. Design niya. dark? Is it shiny?
This isn't bad, but you got this wood ceiling.
Where did we look? Went for?
You like any of these? Sure.
No. Is there more in there? I'm not a big fan of those house guys. Hindi ko type yun. Oh, how about? Oh no, that's shiny. You don't like shiny. This one? Huh?
Shiny's gonna show.
This. What's up everyone? Good morning. So this is the room that we renovating right now. So this is what it looks like. So this is the tiles that we picked guys for this room. Ayan, para siyang green na may black or something. Parang ano, marble. So ayan guys. So yung ginamit na, masay tawag ano niya? Baseboard. So yung baseboard na ginamit namin guys, instead na wood, ginamitan namin ng tiles. Tiles siya guys. Kasi pag wood yung ginamit mo, inaanay siya. So at least yung tiles, ayan, matagal na yan guys, hindi naaanayin yan. So ayan yung color na ginamit namin. Parang din siyang wood guys, pero tiles. So this is what it looks like. And then we repaint it. We put a different paint. This is light gray. Ayan, wala pang mga kortina. Tapos yung ceiling namin guys, pinalitan din namin siya ng ganyan.